Well, so we have a train here at M156 with a hanging gate light, but thank you. Thanks. I mean, thank you to my dad for calling it in to the Norfolk Southern people, and whenever I'm here the next time, it should be all right. About that last time I was here, I did not call it in today. No, I called in the one at State Route 19 today. Today is the same day as my other videos. Well, except from yesterday's video at this same location. Well, so we have a train here at M156. I bet they're getting ready for the gates. He's gonna ask you something, I think.
Huh?
Yeah, I think so. He was asking if it was safe to cross. I said I think so. Have you heard the horn yet or no? I bet the train's going slow because of what my dad did. You know what? It hasn't even crossed Wolf yet. So, okay, it's okay. Oh, okay, I'm gonna pause the camera. Well, this train is just crawling, folks. And sorry, Grandma, I hope you are not watching this at the moment. Or maybe if you are watching this video, I am sorry that we are going to be late getting back home. But, pausing the camera again. It is just now crossing Wolf. How fast would you say it's going? Is it not going that fast at all, period? Papa, can your flashlight be useful? Because I'm running out of power on my phone. 29. Well, there it is. Can you see it now? Yes. It is just crawling. Here it comes, a very slowest train going through here on the planet. Well, the slowest train on the planet, folks. I won't even be surprised if it blocks this road. That won't surprise me any, all because of the gate. They could figure out how bad it is, and then they can continue moving. If they have to do that. Anyway, here comes the world's slowest train across M156. Your helpful flashlight on, please.
Okay, we got cars coming.
Yeah, and we got gates going off here anytime now. Today is March 5th, 2023. Today is our Sunday extravaganza, folks. Today is our Sunday extravaganza, folks. Just like on my last video. It is just like 400 feet. Is it going very slow? Yes.
Yeah.
watch this gate light. Oh, it just hit the gate. No worries, it's been called in. Oh, it's like. Look at how slow it's going, is it or no? Yeah, I think it's starting to speed up. What do you think for the sound of it? If you're watching this video after you called in that report about this crossing, tell me right now how fast it's moving. I would say only about 5 or 7. Are the daters loud here? Yes. Hey, look at that. Their GPS says to make a left on Lime Creek Road at about a half a mile to get it. But guess what? They cannot do that if they have a sit-still train or whatever. I'm thinking it got worse since yesterday. Just now saw my message. Just now, yes? Is it going all fast or just about? Or not as fast as the one yesterday? Not that fast? On the other side. Well, a repair guy over there. Are the daters loud here? Yes. How many cars had to wait on your side? 4? The 5th one has to slow down because of it, yes? Or how many? Oh, they got a top of 4? Or was there 5 at the ending? Isn't this a very busy road, yes? And here comes a car on Hickory Street. Not the same Hickory in Milan, no. It's like a little... It's like a little shortcut. Well, anyway, okay. So that's it.